one of the other terms that people need to understand is an NFT. Luis, could you please tell us what is an NFT?
Well, an NFT is like a unique token that can represent a digital or physical or both objects and cannot be replicated. So NFT means non-fungible token, and it's a token that is a unique digital asset and has no other equal token in the network like him. So this is important because we need to bring things up what what fungibility is. I think this is important to define. Fungibility, well, it refers to object ability to be exchanged for another that is alive. For example, Mark, I can give you or I can borrow you a $10 bill, okay? And I don't mind you. How are you going to pay me? So it is with the same $10 bill, it is with the other $10 bill, or is with two $5 bills. So you can say that the US dollar is a fungible asset, for example, like most of the crypto assets. So they cannot be divided into different parts. So $10 bills cannot worth more than another $10 bill. So
yeah, one of the things, Luis and Gabe, that I think we need to do that's really important is that people get an impression of what something is, and then they try to sort it out. And sometimes it's right and sometimes it's wrong. And when I first heard about NFTs, I'm like, what is this NFT thing? And I actually called up a friend and said, explain to me what an NFT is. And that was only about a year and a half ago. Gabriel, you know, in younger people's worlds, what's the most popular NFTs that are out there that people would know?
Well, first of all, so what Luis is trying to say is it's not just a JPEG. It's not just a picture of a penguin or a monkey. You know, it's
or a bored ape.
There's a lot more use cases than that. But
yeah,
you know, there's a lot of them out there.
But you know, there's a marketplace out there for images, and people have started to use them in a lot of different ways, you know, commercially, you know, and we all know about these bored apes that have sold for a couple of $1 million. And yeah, that's an NFT. And, you know, I know people that have created utility NFTs, and they're actually using them to provide, you know, some value in return, which, by the way, we're going to talk about that in future sessions because airlines have already started to implement NFTs, and we're going to talk about how they're implementing them. Just a few days ago, Etihad released a collection of NFTs. They were image NFTs, and they were of 787s of their fleet. Now, there's others that are issuing NFTs for things like tickets, and we're going to explore that in more detail. But in the context of the things that Luis is talking about is that NFTs are unique, one-of-a-kind, traceable, immutable records or tokens that are being connected to a record and providing some kind of authority, you know, to that.